Yo, JBlanked here. Welcome to the February edition of the JBlankSauce community overview. In this video, I will go over the ins and outs of the JBlank community as if you were a new member. Let's hop over into Discord. On the top, we have our rules channel. These are rules you must abide by in this Discord and are pretty straightforward. Next, we have the announcements channel. In here, I drop YouTube videos and related statements about the community and or services and tools I offer to the community. Right below that, we have the info channel, which is where you can find a list of services, community, mobile apps, and links to my social media accounts. Lastly, the Choose Role channel allows you to access topic specific channels. Click the emoji on the message that has the topic you want to access. Okay, now we're in the general section of the Discord. It has a general chat, which is where users talk about anything relating to JBlanked or the community, of course, including forex, coding, music, and Flipper Zero topics. Down below that, we have the help channel. If you need any specific help with anything relating to the community, ask here. Next, we have the bot spam channel. And this is for interacting with and testing the JBlanked helper and other Discord bots we have available. Underneath that, we have the random channel, which is where you talk about topics unrelated to JBlanked or the community that abide by the server rules. Next to last, we have the motivation channel, which is open to all users to post and is where I post daily motivation. Each week, I pick a new theme to focus on, and actually this week's theme was trust. And the last channel is it talks about who I am and my music journey. Awesome. Now let's move to the forex section, which is exclusive to users who have the trader role. At the top, we have the Join VIP channel, which is a short informational channel about VIP membership and is where I'll post discounts and deals. The Trading Tools channel has instructions on installing and using our community trading tools. Next, we have the Forex Profits channel, which is where anyone can post their Forex success, whether that's through algorithmic trading or manual trading. After that, we have the VIP Bots Profits channel, which is where VIP members post their success using any of the VIP expert advisors, like the News Navigator. Next, we have the Free Signals channel, which has the free version of the News Notifier and the TMA RSI Bandit. This version of the News Notifier sends the outcome of higher impact events when they are released on the MQL5 economic calendar, along with some basic analysis. And this version of the TMA RSI Bandit sends signals from the TMA RSI Bands indicator on XAU USD on the 15-minute time frame. And it specializes in pullbacks and isn't recommended to use for catching reversals. After that, we have the Free Tools channel, which is where I post trading tools for community members to use and download. Next, we have the Courses and Tutorials channel, which are direct links to the Forex encoding courses and tutorials. The last two channels, the News API and Trade API, are announcement and informational channels for the APIs. Now let's move to the Flipper section, which is exclusive to users who have the Flipper role. It has two channels, Flipper HTTP, which is an announcements channel for Flipper HTTP projects, and the Flipper chat, which is where users talk about topics related to the Flipper Zero. All right, now let's move to the music section, which is exclusive to users who have the musician role. Now, all of these channels but the last are tips and advice on music industry related topics. In the new songs channel, users can post the songs they have released. All right, now let's move to the VIP section, which is exclusive to VIP members. At the top, we have the announcements channel, which contains announcements related to VIP. Next, we have the VIP update, and this is where I post updates regarding the trading tools or the website. After that, we have the VIP chat, which is where general conversations happen between VIP members. Next, we have the news analysis channel, which hosts the official news notifier, and where I post detailed analysis of news event outcomes as they occur. Next, we have the alerts channel, which hosts the GHT notifier that sends signals from the GHT indicator on the 5-minute time frame. It also hosts the currency meter that sends currency strength information every 15 minutes, and the RSI predator somewhere up here somewhere, and that sends signals from the RSI predator indicator also on the 5-minute time frame. After that, we have the back testing channel, which is where VIP members discuss back testing of trading plans and trading tools. Next, we have the bot trades channel, which is a new channel dedicated to discussing bots as they are in trades. After that, we have the manual trades channel, which is where I go over my manual trade setups, and other VIP members can ask for guidance on a trade, ideas for a trade, or anything manual trade related. Next, we have the schedule, which contains news highlights from week to week. After that, we have the suggestions channel, which is where VIP members give positive suggestions or ideas for our community. And next to last, we have the issues channel, which is where VIP members post any issues they are having, especially with our trading tools or website. And then lastly, the voice chat is where we host our weekly Saturday trainings at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, awesome. Let's move on to the website. This is what the home dashboard looks like for VIP members. There's the motivation of the week, followed by quick links and the weekly email. And at the bottom, we have the weekly live training, featured profitable trading tools, and featured YouTube videos. VIP members also have their own navigation tab that leads them to an exclusive list of news resources, such as the news calendar and the news GPT, which also can be accessed through our news API. Our news library hosts detailed news analysis and information on almost 200 news events, including machine learning data. We also have forex courses, coding courses, and trading tools, which VIP members get access to included in their membership. The trading tools have information on each input field, and some have profitable settings directly included on their page. For instance, the news rampage. Now, non-VIP members can sign up for a 3-day free trial, which is a new feature added in a few weeks back. All right, that sums up the February edition of the JBlanked Sauce Community Overview. I'm JBlanked. Peace.